Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be removing the BTArtbox nail tip adhesive tabs. These are the new nail tabs I love. I'm starting off with a little cup of, or a little dish of warm water, Dawn dish soap, and some olive oil. And I'm going to do this in increments of 5 minutes. I'm going to soak them for 5 minutes and then use Woody to kind of get up under them. And I'm just going around the edges and just kind of releasing it a little bit. I am not going to force these off because I am still in recovery mode from the last time I messed up with my removal. Yes, Lord. Back in November, y'all, I was sick and it was time to take some nail tips off and I did not do it proper and we had some major nail damage. So I'm just going around trying to loosen it up, open it up a little bit so that I can pop them back in the warm soapy water with olive oil and let that get up under there a little bit and help soften these glue tabs up some. And there we go, back in for 5 more minutes. Get that out of the way. I'm gonna pat my hand. You don't have to pat your hand off. I just can't stand for my hand to be sitting there with bubbly soap water all over them. And I'm going to go back in with Woody again. Woody, by the way, is an orange wood stick. I wanted to use something that wasn't metal. You know, something that would have a little give to it. And I'm just going around all of the nails very gently. Just kind of working it a little bit at a time. And I know this is not like a wowzer moment. Okay, that one's coming off. And what's lovely about doing it this way is you can take that glue off of them like this. And then you could reuse them if you want to at another time. Yay! Sweet, sweet. And there's no damage. Now, on my nails, I have a rubber base coat from Born Pretty and a top coat that is on my nails, and it didn't damage that at all. It's still totally still sitting there. And this is how I would do it even if I had done this directly on my naked nails. This is going to be my removal process. Soaking and kind of encouraging it off with the orange wood stick, and then soaking some more, and that one came off too. Let's get the glue off of that one. Very, very cool. Love it. Alright, so we got 2 off. I still got some of the sticky on my nail, but it's okay. It'll come off. Excuse me. Back to soaking. And then back to... Now I'm tearing up this little orange wood stick a little bit because it's gotten wet. It's soaked up some water. and that's okay because I have a ton of these little orange wood sticks. Alright, this one's coming off. And I have to go by the way it feels, the pressure, and I'm just not pushing it too hard. If it means soaking and dipping and soaking and drying, that's just what I'm going to do. But I do really like that these are causing 0 damage doing this removal process. I am pretty excited about it. There we go. Alright, that one's got a little bit of glue left on it too, but they're pretty good. No damage. None, none, none. Yay! I'm going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil all over. And this way, if I have any glue left, glue tabs still stuck to the nail, this oil's going to ensure that that stuff just comes right on off. It will. And I'm going to do the other hand too. Now the other hand, I had the same stuff on, the rubber base coat and the top coat, but I had slightly buffed the shiny off of those nails before I used those glue tabs. I took them off the same way I did these on the hand that I showed you, and they're all looking pretty good. Pretty good. So thumbs up for patience, warm water, Dawn dish soap, and olive oil. Big fat thumbs up for that. So, get this all done, and I'm going to rub the rest of that oil into my skin. And that is going to be it for me today. I wanted to share because I'm showing me using these a lot, so I wanted to show you how I'm removing them. Very good. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.